Hi, I'm Kristin with ArtSphere, and today I'm going to show you how to make an egg with a chick inside. And I'll show you. You can unfold this and unfold this. So our chick is hidden in there. We're going to be doing this project, our eggshell project, by folding paper first. So what you'll need is a sheet of paper. You may also want you'll need a pair of scissors, and you'll also need or may want some markers to color, or colored pencils or crayons. I'm going to begin today first talking about symmetry. We're going to be doing symmetry, and I want you to see that our egg, if it was folded in half, is going to be the same on both sides. So just to give an idea of what symmetry is, so it's the outside egg shape, that oval, is the same on both sides. Our crack, though, is not the same on both sides. Our crack is not symmetrical. And so we're going to practice with symmetry and asymmetry today. Okay, so this is what I'd like you to do to start, is if you would take a sheet of paper, and I'm going to have you fold it in half. And then what I'd like you to do is fold our paper so that we are going to make top come down for the top of the eggshell. That, and then we're going to bring the bottom up to this line, and we're going to actually overlap a little bit. See that from the side? You can see that there's an overlap. So these two overlap each other. Okay, so now we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half. And I'm going to put it here on my board so everyone can see. And I'm going to use a marker. And you may want to start off using a pencil, but just so everybody can see my lines, I'm going to draw my half oval. And I'm going to cut, and notice that this is the fold. So we're not cutting on the fold side, we're going to cut on the outside. And notice I did not cut on the bottom here or the top here, because I want to be able to keep my egg shape. I may decide I want to trim it a little, and that's fine. You may decide you want to trim this slightly, this black line off. But for now, what I want to do is I want to draw underneath the crack for my egg. So I have my line, and then when I put my other shape on top, I'm going to fold it back up. I'm going to be able to see that line so I can trace it. I'm going to cut on both those lines. So you can see my lines will match up to my eggshell. Now we get to do the fun part. We're going to draw the egg inside. And let me put this here, here. And I have my example right here. So we're going to start off with an oval shape inside. Let's see here. And you can think of the head as a large circle, or you can think about it as just slightly curves. We're going to make the feathers on the top. We're going to make the wings. Because it's a baby chick, it's going to have just a little baby tail. And we're going to make the feet. And I like to think of it as a series of V's. So 3 little toes on each one for the claws. And for the eyes, I'm going to make some big circles. Inside that, I'm going to make 2 circles almost with a cutout V shape. For the beak, I'm going to make almost like a rounded triangle. And then inside that, I'm going to make a little curve. Inside the body, I'm going to add just some more feathers. And there you go. Now you can start the curve. Color in, and you may want to use an assortment. I have some random markers to color. And when you're done, you could think about what kind of chick it is. You could think about what it's going to grow up to be. You could think about your own future, how we all start off, even every day, with a new, kind of a new beginning, and what you want today to become. So thank you for joining me with ArtSphere, and hope you have a great day.